Hey guys, it's Razvan, and today we've got our hands on the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 4. DJI has unveiled its latest smartphone gimbal, the Osmo Mobile 4, a few weeks ago. Let's see what we have inside the box. Like its predecessors, the OM4 is an ultra-compact 3-axis gimbal for keeping your smartphone footage as stable as possible. The best part about the OM4 is the magnetic mount, which is removable, so you can clamp it on your phone and keep it there, even if you are not actively using the gimbal. Even better, it comes with a magnetic phone finger ring. I recommend putting this on a case because the adhesive is not reusable, so once it is mounted, it has to stay on. Overall, the magnetic mounted system for OM4 is a huge improvement over the previous model, and I love it. Let's see what we have inside the box. In this first box we will have the magnetic ring, user guide, some warranty infos and a disclaimer on safety guidelines and a quick start guide. And on the right side we will find the bag. The OM4 also comes with a tabletop tripod, so you don't have to hold it in your hand. Set it on the kitchen table and enable ActiveTracking. The camera will follow you around whatever you are doing, so you can make an entire YouTube video alone without any help. You can bake a cake and move it from one place to another, and the camera tracking will follow you the whole time. Inside the box you will find, of course, the DJI Osmo Mobile 4, the grip tripod, wrist strap, storage pouch, one magnetic phone clamp, one magnetic ring holder and a power cable. As you can see, I have troubles with the magnetic ring holder. I will leave it for now. The user guide is very big, but do not worry. There are only 4 pages, and these ones are translated into 29 different languages. Let's move it to the main attraction. Like the Osmo Mobile 3, the Osmo Mobile 4 has a decent selection of physical controls and buttons to reduce the number of times you need to touch your smartphone display. The magnetic phone clamp extends to 84 mm, so there are really no worries about your phone not being the right size. When you attach the magnetic phone clamp to your phone, make sure you add it on your phone in the right direction. With the included tripod, you can set it on the table, and instead of having to use the camera controls to start a video or take a photo, you can hold your hand up in a V shape or just show the palm of your hand to set a 3-second timer to start recording or take a photo. You can enable this for ActiveTracking too, so you can walk around with the OM4 and the gimbal will follow you around. I have already installed the DJI Mimo app because I use it with another DJI device like DJI Osmo Action, and I will try to pair it for the first time. You need to activate your gimbal if you want to receive the warranty. However, I was not able to pass the activation step. The DJI Mimo works with both iPhone and Android phones. Another good app is Filmic Pro. In a later video I will show you which one is better for what we need. The DJI Mimo app has also been updated with more advanced features for tracking people and improved recognition of kids and pets. The Mimo camera will stay focused on the subject and follow it smoothly without shake or jumping. Once you install the Mimo app and sign up for an account, it's very easy to get started with your smooth videos. There are on-screen instructions to guide you through the syncing process. However, the activation will take around 30 seconds or even more. After you activate the Mimo app, you can switch over to your preferred camera app, and it will continue to work as a phone stabilizer, just without the advanced features available in the Mimo app. One of them is ActiveTracking. But if you want to get the most out of your DJI Osmo Mobile 4, you will want to use it with the Mimo app. The main panel beneath the actuating arm features a multi-directional pad for panning in any direction, plus the red recorder shutter button and the power or mode button. To the left of that, on the side of the handle, you'll find the zoom slider switch for zooming in and out. Then there's the multi-purpose trigger on the front. Pressing and holding it locks the gimbal so that it will keep the camera facing the same way. Then letting go adds a little more flow to the movement. Pressing once launches ActiveTrack and automatically focuses on the subject. Pressing twice recenters the gimbal. Pressing 3 times switches between front and back cameras. You can also use the trigger to launch sport mode, making movement faster and more responsive, by pressing once, then pressing and holding. The Osmo Mobile 4 smartphone gimbal takes the best features from previous Osmo Mobile devices and puts them into a product that's far more versatile and user-friendly, thanks to a new magnetic mounting system. I definitely recommend this for people that like to record videos, whether professionally or in the backyard with the kids. Overall, the DJI Osmo Mobile 4 is a great gimbal that could improve and smooth anyone's smartphone videography. I hope you like this unboxing. In our future videos, we will show you other amazing gadgets. Please subscribe to our channel if you are not already, because we have a lot of interesting things to show you. Thank you very much and bye bye.